The Lenape Regional High School District's Office of Media and Communications offers an LDTV Option Two program, which allows students to get hands-on experience.
Part of the LDTV Option Two program, students are given advanced roles for LDTV Sports, which is the district student organization that covers varsity sports for each of our 4 high schools. Option Two students can be directors, technical directors, they can do replay and graphics. As crew members, they're also responsible for setup to prior the events, which also includes troubleshooting, which is something that they really aren't dealing with in that normal classroom setting. Sometimes Option Two students need to train that underclassmen as well.
The Option Two program really helps students that want to go into the industry, whether it be film or live production, get experience and understand that they really want to go into this field.
Throughout the year, Option Two students can produce and edit videos, create graphics for various initiatives throughout the district. Students also learn about public relations as well. Heads Up Eyes Forward is a big role of Option Two. Our Option Two program has participated in the You Got Brains campaign for 13 years. Every year, our students need to come up with new ideas for the campaign while also continuing what we've done in past years.
My favorite part would probably be our TikTok videos that we make for Heads Up Eyes Forward. It's a very fun thing to make, and we just always just work hard at it, and we get to be creative in our own ways, follow trends, and it's just a really great way to be involved.
I think one of the benefits of the Option Two program is you're getting students from all 4 high schools. You're getting students with different interests. Somebody really might like the film aspect of things, and somebody really might like the sports aspect. So they're really learning a lot from each other and the program.
What I will take away is probably the way I make relationships with people in terms of networking. With everybody in the office, the connections that I've made with them will help me make relationships with other people in my future endeavors.
If you're interested in pursuing the LDTV Option Two program, reach out to your counselor or TV broadcasting teacher for more information. For GTV, I'm Jack Danek.